Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is Catcrazy Creations Crochet. I hope everybody is doing well today and that you've had a lot of crafty crocheting, knitting, whatever your craft is. I hope you've had a lot of time to be able to sit down and do what you love to do. I have a new project that I worked on and I finished, so I will show you that. And I had something else that I worked on and finished, but I am currently making more of. So I will show you those. And I am also, at the end of this video, going to do a little giveaway, pattern giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Okay, the first thing that I want to show that I made was a granny bottle cozy. And these were super easy to make. I watched Metal Scrap and Chick, Kim. Hi Kim. I found this when you were talking about it in your last video for a collaboration that you were in. She had pinned this. She was doing a collab with a Pinterest thing that she was doing. And I really liked it. I really liked this. So what I did was I made the big bottle. I started out with the hook size eye that she had used. And it was definitely huge. So I went down to a G hook, and it was still bigger at the bottom around than the water bottle. So what I did was I went to an E hook. And an E hook worked perfectly. And then what I did was, I'm just trying to show, if you guys want this pattern, I will try to link. I'm not good at that. But I'm just trying to explain what I did to get it to work. So if you're watching Kim and you haven't figured out what, this might help you. So I went to an E hook, and where it says right here to do rounds 4 through 8, I did those. And then what I did was I did, I think 6. It says repeat rows 4, and it has through 14. Well, I did, I think, I'm trying to think, 8. I did 13, I believe, 12 or 13 of rounds 4 through 8. So it would be like I did 4 through 12 or 13. And then I finished off with round 9. I only went around one time on round. And, hold on, I forgot to get the water bottle. Okay, back, sorry about that. Okay, so here it is. And I used some of the loops and threads, Snuggly Wuggly dip dyed yarn that I had got in my carousel package. So anyway, here it is. This is using an E hook. Okay, here is my water bottle. I'm going to put it right in. It is snug. And there it is. So the E-hook will work. Here's the bottom. And here's what it looks like at the top. And it is snug. It is snug on there. So that is one of my finishes. And you can go to hooksandyarns.blogspot.com and you could get it there. And it's tiny, so you're probably not going to see it too good. It's right there. And it's hooksandyarns.blogspot.com. And it's called Granny Bottle Cozy. So I hope that you can just read it right up there at the top. And I will see what I can do with the links. I'm horrible at links. I don't know why I can't figure it out, but okay. And then the last thing that I am working on, and I have finished, it's from crochetspot.com. If you have not been to crochetspot.com, please go over there and check it out. She has a lot of free crochet patterns. All you do is there's a search bar or box. What I do is, like, if I'm interested in Halloween, I will put Halloween pattern, crochet Halloween pattern in there, and all of her Halloween things will come up. Or Christmas, you do the same thing. She's got a lot. So I got this pattern. It's a pumpkin coaster, and it's easy. She has skill levels and everything. Easy. It's a short pattern. It's just going in a round. That's all it is. There is altogether, there's 5 rounds, and the 5th round is making the stem at the top. So here they are. They're not fully finished because I will back them with felt. But here they are. The pumpkin coasters. And I did not have any green. And so I decided to use a fall variegated color yarn that I have. And I think that looks really good. I really like the variegated. So there it is. Really simple, quick to make. I can make one of these in probably 15 minutes from start to finish. Maybe less. I've never actually timed myself, but at least 15. So I made 4 of those. All the stems are a little different, but you know, that just kind of makes it a unique pattern. And when I get these done, I think I'm going to be putting these in my Etsy store as well, but I will let everybody know when I do that. And I'm trying to use this ball up. It's the only orange I have. So I'm trying to use it all up and make as many of those coasters as I can. And this was just scrap. I don't even know what it is. And here is the fall colored variegated that I'm using for the stems. It goes like into a green, and then into the kind of rusty color, and then into a darker green. So very fallish, and I just thought, you know, that adds a little character to the pumpkin. So that's what I'm doing with those. And this is probably Super Saver because I've bought a lot of variegated Super Savers, and that's probably just what I have left. So that's what I'm working on. Very, very simple pattern to do. And I think these use a, let me see, an eye. Yeah, this is an eye. An eye hook. Go around it 4 times. And yeah, then you put the stem on. Very easy pattern. I would recommend it. If you like quick, if you want to do something for the fall, Halloween, quick pattern. I extremely would recommend this. And go over to the crochetspot.com. It's just crochetspot.com. And she has all kinds of free, easy crochet patterns that you can get done in no time at all. So anyway, that's what I have been working on. Trying to get rid of some yarn that's been hanging around for a long time. And like I said, I'm going to back these with felt. At least this part. I probably won't do anything with this, but just this with felt. And I will be putting these in my Etsy store. Okay, now for the giveaways. As before, you must be 18 years of age or older so that I can send you the pattern. You can live anywhere in the United States. If you can receive mail in the country that you live in, I can send it international to you. Please do not put giveaway in the comment. If you do put giveaway in the comments, then I will have to delete your comment. And I don't like to do that. So please just do not put giveaway so I don't have to delete your message or your comments. Because the reason that we do that, we ask you not to put giveaway, is because there are trolls, and they are people that are just, they go through YouTube to find giveaways. And if they put giveaways in the search, anything that has giveaway on it will come up. And all that's doing is taking your chance away. You're giving your chance to somebody else. And, you know, we do these giveaways. I do these giveaways to give back to you guys for supporting me. And for, you know, I've gotten amazing racks from the crochet community. And this is just a way right now that I can give back to you guys for the support and the love that you have shown me. And if someone else comes in that's not even interested and wins these, then that's taking away from you guys. So that's why when you hear us saying that, that's why. These giveaways are for you. They're not for someone that's just wanting to win stuff. So just be mindful of that, you know, that's why we say that, and that's why we're very kind of, I wouldn't say adamant, but we want it for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some crochet patterns. You can enter for all of them. You can only win once. The only way that you can win more than one is if you are the only person on one pattern. No one else wanted it, and you're on it, then you would win it. So, but otherwise it's just going to be one pattern a person. Okay, so here we go. The first one is from Craft with Joanne, and they are watermelon coasters, and it's skill level 2. So if you would like this, put I would like to stitch watermelon coasters. I would like to stitch watermelon coasters. The next one is a skill level 3, and it's an Imogene scarf. Imogene scarf. So put down, I would like to stitch Imogene scarf. Imogene is I-M-O-G-E-N-E. The next one, skill level 3, and it's a zigzag post stitch throw. Zigzag post stitch throw. If you're interested, put I would like to stitch zigzag throw. I would like to stitch zigzag throw. And the last one is skill level 2, and it's a taffy pull scarf. Taffy pull scarf. So if you would like this one, put I would like to stitch the taffy scarf. The taffy scarf. Okay, so that will do it. I'll show you the pictures one more time. Watermelon coasters, the Imogene scarf, the zigzag post stitch throw, and the taffy pull scarf. So if you're interested, please feel free to enter, and good luck to everybody. And I will announce the winner in a couple of weeks on my next crochet video. So I think that's about it for this time. I want to thank everybody so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. It means a lot to me. I love the support that I'm getting from the crochet community. It means a lot to me. Yeah, so anyway, until my next video, everybody have a great couple of weeks.